How to screen record with audio on Windows 11. The very first thing you want to do is tap on settings at the bottom right corner. And then move into audio right here. Right here you need to make sure that you have set the settings to speaker or audio. And then right here set the settings to microphone. Once it has been done, go back and head over to the previous page. And then right here you'll get to see two options, desktop audio and mic audio. If you want to record the desktop audio, you need to enable this option. But if you want to record the microphone audio, then you need to enable this one. Once you are done, you can start the recording. Now let's head over to any of the web browser. Head over to youtube.com. Let's play one video.
We're gonna heal the world.
Well, now the audio of the desktop will be fully recorded in the screen recorder, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can screen record the audio on Windows 11. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.